Hi, friends! Today we will be learning about syllables. Syllables are the beats in a word. Every time you hear a new sound or clap in a word, that's a syllable. Syllables are often described as being spoken in a single breath. Each syllable represents a unit of sound that can be said without pausing. The word cat has one syllable, and you say it in one smooth breath, cat. The word water has two syllables, and you can say each syllable in one breath, water. In every word, each syllable has one vowel sound. You can divide a word into syllables by listening for the vowel sounds. You can pause the video to review the vowel sounds. The vowels help break up the word into its syllable parts. Let's look at an example with the word teacher. Teacher has the vowel team EA that works together as one vowel. You can say teach in one breath, so it is a syllable. The next part of the word has the vowel E, and you can say in one breath, so it is the second syllable. When you blend the two syllables together, they form the word teacher. Let's clap each syllable out and say the word together. Teach, teacher. Elephant has 3 syllables. You can say each syllable clearly in a smooth breath. Try saying it without rushing or stopping in between the syllables. Elephant. How many syllables do the following words have? Clap out the syllables. Paper. Paper. 2 syllables. Basket. Basket. 2 syllables. Computer. Computer. 3 syllables. Let's review. Notice the location of the vowels in each word. Do you see the syllable breaks? Can you say the words? All right, friends. Now you have the introduction of syllables. We learned that syllables are the beats or sounds in words, and we can break them apart by listening for those vowel sounds. Check back with us for more videos learning about the types of syllables. Don't forget to clap it out. Keep clapping out those syllables. Thank you for stopping by CC's Place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click on the notification bell for future videos.